Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love reading. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus, even though I recorded this reading earlier as well, but it could not get uploaded earlier. I don't know, there was some error in the memory card that I was using on my phone. So it accidentally uploaded a different video which was not even for this channel. But yep, this reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus, as Taurus is one of the signs which got the most views. So the reading's topic is going to be what are their true intentions for you and for the connection that they have with you. Now, since I did this reading earlier, I recorded it, but like I said, it got deleted or something. I don't know. Something went wrong with the memory card. So I would first talk about the energies that I picked up in that particular reading. So if maybe for some of you that message is something that you need to hear. Now, according to the previous reading that I recorded, which could not be uploaded. Um, the true intention of the person was that they believe that this connection was meant to happen or is meant to happen. So eventually, whether you see it or whether you don't, but that person, the person that you are dealing with, they believe that you and your person is divinely married to each other already. They believe that, whether you are talking to each other or you are not, they believe that you and them are destined to be together forever. Somehow right now seems like, the situation that you are dealing with in your love life with your specific someone is not favorable for the connection, but they have a complete faith in their love, in their emotions, in their connection with you, and in the divine as well. I feel like, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they have a strong bond with the God that they believe in, and they believe that that God is going to bring you two together forever. So if you ask, what is the true intention of the person, they believe that you both are already married to each other. So there is no fear, there shouldn't be any fear, doubt in regards to this connection that you have with your specific someone. They believe that you are destined to be together. For some of you, maybe you are in separation or something, but eventually you're going to come together because that's how it is destined to happen. So they truly believe that you are already each other's, but yes, it will be different for different people. So yeah, in this reading, let's find out what is it their what is the true intention of your person. We will take oracle cards in this reading as well. We will also take some message cards from the person as well. So stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Taurus, let's see whoever it is that you're dealing with. Let's find out how this person intend, or what this person intend to have with you. Let's see. I could see the Six of Cups card, so maybe they believe that you and that person is a soulmate, which is again the same energy that I picked up in the previous reading that I recorded, which could not be uploaded. But yeah, let's see what is their true intention for you or for the connection that they have with you. There are certain delays in the connection, is what I'm picking up. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other. Maybe you are in separation. Maybe you are in no talking terms right now. But they believe that you and them are destined to be together. Now, for some reasons, maybe they really can't take the connection to the next level with you, or maybe you can't take the connection to the next level with them right now, which is something that they believe is a part of how the God has planned to bring you two together. But yes, this person has a strong belief that even though there are delays, even though there are some misunderstandings, some separations in the connection, but they believe that you both are destined to be together. um, for some of you, you and your connection with them could be affected by either your work or some people involved in the connection as well. It can be your people or it can be people coming from their end as well. Maybe there are certain delays in the connection because of two things. One, work. Two, people around you. People around you or people around them, which is causing delay in this connection. But for some of you, maybe right now, when you are not talking, when you are not with each other right now, seems like if you doubt your person's intention, there's nothing wrong with their intention. But yes, I do see that there could be some people in your life or in their life who's trying to influence the connection the wrong way, for sure. But it's not going to last long. They are going to come out of the influence of other people, be that coming through their work, be that coming through their family as well. and eventually they're going to break free from it and come towards you, because they strongly believe that you both, I feel like, there are certain delays, but as soon as the delays end, as soon as you come together again, as soon as you start talking to each other, the connection is going to go towards what you both believe to be true for you two guys together. Now I feel like, for some reasons, maybe people have created some misunderstandings between the two of you, one thing, and if not, then there is this work scenario which is affecting the connection the bad way. But eventually I feel like, if you ask this question, what is their true intention, they truly intend to get married to you right now. Maybe this, like I said earlier, maybe the situation is not favorable for the connection right now, but the universe is supporting the two of you and your connection, so you have nothing to worry about. Underneath the deck we do have the Six of Wands. You and this person are destined to come together. You will surpass all the blocks, they will surpass all the blocks and be with you forever. Let's see, what do they secretly want you to know? What is their secret message for you? Let's see, what is your person's secret message for you? I believe we are destined to be together. That's exactly what they want you to know. They believe that you and them are destined to be together. For some of you, maybe this person is somebody who is manifesting a big change in this connection as well. People in my life are controlling me. So again, this could be the reason why you and your specific someone are not together right now, but eventually you will be. So that's exactly what they believe. Maybe they are right now under influence of other people's in situation in their life, but they do believe that you and them are destined to be together. The love that you have is true for sure. This is the romance of lifetime. You don't have to worry about this person and the connection that you have with them. Somehow, maybe you would be experiencing some delays in your love life with your specific someone, but these delays are not going to last long. So just stay patient and positive around it. Listen with your heart. You are listening, but not you are listening but need to hear with a loving heart. Number one, I feel like, you, for some of you, could be dealing with the same sign as well. Maybe you are controlled by people around you, and they are also controlled by the people around them as well. But somehow, eventually, seems like, if you understand that since you are dealing with something like that, maybe your person is also dealing with the same shit. Now if you understand that part of it, maybe for some of you, you are the caretaker of the family as well. Maybe you are unable to take that decision of coming together right now because you have other responsibilities. Same goes for them as well. So that could be the case for some of you as well. But yes, your person is definitely intending to get married to you once they are done with this situation that they are dealing with in their life right now. So just be patient with them. Don't doubt their intention. They are pretty much yours, and they believe that you and them are destined to be together. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.